Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this from. I'm from Kuala Lumpur. This is Eugene recording from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay, yeah, today is gonna be a very short video. I hope. I hope. Yeah, how to start making 5,000 US dollars monthly within the next 6 months without offering any of your existing friends or family any opportunities. All right, I'm sure a lot of you will be excited about that. Yeah. Now there are two ways anybody can do this. The first way is you start saving until your savings reach about 750,000 dollars, and you keep it in a stable long-term investment vehicle where you can get a minimum return of 10% per year. Okay, year in year out you must get 10% per year. Then you'll be getting about 5,000 US dollars per month as your living expenses. Yeah. Now, in Malaysia, there'll be about 4 million ringgit in savings. Yeah. I've been a financial advisor for the past 14 years, and from my experience, only 2 to 3% of the population will actually be able to pull that off via the route of regular savings. Okay, into a retirement plan. Okay, and the next question I always ask, I always get asked is, how do you know if you are one of the 2 to 3% in the population of the population? Well, you'll know, yeah, because most likely you already have the nest egg ready. Yeah, if you are far away, say for example, you need to hit 750,000 US dollars, and you only have like 10,000 US dollars now, and you are like 45, reaching 50, and things like that, then you know you are not one of the 2 to 3%. Yeah, so is there no hope for you? There is. There's a second part to this. Remember, I said that there are two ways you can do that, right? Now, the second way is to generate this 5,000 monthly income is, if you don't already have it, is by means of running a profitable business. Okay, now, but whenever I start saying business, and I start talking about business, a lot of people get shivers down their spines and things like that, because there's three problems whenever people talk about business. The first problem is always about capital. I don't have the money. Yes, and that's a big problem, because that is also the reason why the employees provident fund that you contribute to for the past 30 years takes only 3 years. This is what research shows here. It takes only 3 years for you to finish it, to have no money left. 30 years to save, 3 years to finish. And why is that? Is because people get into business. Firstly, they plow in all that capital in. Yeah, they take a huge risk. And then comes to our second point, which is they don't have the know-how. They do not know how to do it. All right. And the third thing is, you do not want a business like this where you have to have huge capital and you don't have the know-how. No one's going to teach you, because they'll be creating competition. Yeah. And the third thing comes from this saying. I'm sure some of you would have heard this before. A business is like a bicycle. The minute you stop pedaling, you fall. Right? Now, would you like to get involved in something where you have to keep on pedaling and pedaling and pedaling and pedaling over and over and over, day in, day out, until the day you die? Otherwise, your income will actually stop. Okay? Now, you can't try to hire somebody to run your business for you and all that, because if you don't have the know-how, you wouldn't have the know-how to teach them how to actually run the business for you, right? If you knew how to do that, you would be able to do that yourself, right? Now, so does this mean that retiring and living the life as life is meant to be lived is impossible? Is it? Well, it depends on how you answer these next two questions. The first question is, are you open-minded? The second question is, are you willing to learn a new skill if you don't already have it? Okay. Now, if you answered no to both the questions, then yes, I'm sorry to say that it is kind of impossible for you to enjoy the great lifestyle during retirement. Yeah. But if you answered yes to the two questions, which is, what are the questions? Are you open-minded? And the second question is, are you willing to learn a new skill if you don't already have it? Okay, if you answered yes, I'm willing, I'm open-minded, and yes, I'm willing to learn, then no, it is not impossible for you. you can retire with the lifestyle that you want. All right. Now, for those who answered yes, yeah, and would like our strategy on how you could start making 5,000 monthly within the next 6 months without offering any opportunities to your existing family and friends, yeah, let's jump to the next video, right? I'm not going to make this video long, right? I promised. Let's jump to the next video. In the next video, I will share with you some of the important steps you first have to take before you start your journey towards retiring into the life of your dreams. Okay? Now, if you're watching this on my Facebook, then the video should be somewhere up there. Yeah, because the newer ones go up, right? If you're watching me on my YouTube channel, then the link is most likely in the description below. Just click it and jump to the next video. So this is it for the video today, and I will see you in the next video. Right? Bye.